welcome to this week's video. For this week, I thought I would start a new sort of little series showing off the collage packs that I have available in my Etsy shop. Now, these are collage packs with images. Each pack has like 100 images, and there are different categories. Like each pack is its own sort of category. We have nature packs, we have vintage ads, we have vintage images, we have romance themed packs, we have kids related packs, we have architectural and like home decor packs, we have packs of patterns, and we have sort of miscellaneous packs that don't really fit into any like specific categories, just images that I thought were like funky and like interesting. We have fashion packs. We have art related packs, sort of like art images like paintings and that kind of stuff. I think those are the majority of categories. I'm probably forgetting a couple of categories, but you can get a look at all the categories on my Etsy shop at cutoutcraftkits.etsy.com. The link will be in the description. But I thought I would do something a little bit special in that on my Etsy shop, the packs, like if you're ordering like a nature pack, let's say, those are on like a potluck basis. Like I have like sample pictures of like what kind of images you'll get, but it doesn't mean necessarily that you'll get those images that are specifically listed in the listing. It's a potluck basis. I have like a bunch of nature packs, and sort of whatever the next one in the pack is, that's the one sort of that you'll get. But I thought specifically for this video, I would keep sort of specific packs to make a video about. And so this pack that I'm showing you in the video, if you specifically want this pack that I'm showing you in the video, then you'd have to comment in the video that you want it, and it's on a first come, first serve basis. So the first person to comment that they want it will get it, and then I'll get your details and like payment and the whole thing. In terms of payment, the pack itself for 100 images is $10 plus shipping. Shipping within Canada is $15, and shipping worldwide will be $20. So let's say if you buy a nature pack for $10, if you're in Canada, you'd pay $25. If you're worldwide, that includes the States, you'd pay $30. Yes, you'd pay $30 for 100 images, which I think is a great deal, because these images come from all over. They come from various books and magazines, some like from books and from magazines. So I thought I would show off some, again, for this specific video. If you want this specific pack, you have to comment in the video. Otherwise, you can just sort of look at this as a sample of the different sort of packs that you would get, different sort of images that you would get on my Etsy shop. So the Etsy shop, it's you purchase a pack and it's potluck. You would get nature themed images, not necessarily these. These are specifically for the video. If you want if you want these images specifically, you'd have to comment in the video, and payment will be via PayPal. So let's get started. I want to show some of these off to you. So we'll start with this one, which is a gorgeous sort of waterfall, and they come in various sizes as well. As you can see, this one is a nice sort of painted image of a basket with some flowers. This one would be a really nice sort of little like edge strip on your collage or your project. This one is a gorgeous sort of like red, just fiery tree. Just like the red leaves on that is just beautiful. And this one is gorgeous too. It's just sort of like a little flower setup. And is that a cake? Yep, that's a cake on the side there. Pull that back. This one is sort of a snowy kind of mountain range. And again, as you can see, they're various sizes. This one is sort of a little bit more of a clip arty kind of image. This one is a beautiful sort of greenish tone. On the monitor, it's kind of showing up kind of like grayish, black and whitish, but it's actually a green sort of tone. I'm not sure if that'll fix it, but nope, it looks kind of like grayish tone, but it's actually sort of a green sepia, but sort of green toned. This one is a very nice sort of simple rose. You can like put on like a greeting card or like in the corner of a collage or something. This one is sort of more of like a little patterned picture pattern, nature flowery pattern. This one's a cute little bowl of what looks like tulips. I was going to say turnips. No, ma'am. Tulips. We don't like turnips in this house. This one is a gorgeous sort of red, fiery, like almost like a volcano exploded. Just sort of like spewing the sparks and just gorgeous. This one is such a cute little flower. So cute. Again, you could put it like on like the corner of your collage or like a project or for like a tag to just sort of finish kind of that off. This one's a cool sort of whirlpool effect that I really like. This one is definitely a volcano exploding. See if I can get that there. This one is sort of like a little kind of river path thing through a couple of mountains. This one is a black and white. This one is a gorgeous couple of flowers there. You can use that for like a cover of some kind. And I think the next kind of ones are actually like bigger pictures that you can sort of use as like basis for collages, or like, yeah, you can like put something like that on that bench there. You can like put an image there. Yeah, just sort of like a background for a collage. This is another big one with like a little waterfall here. Pull that back a little so you can see all of it. This one is a gorgeous sort of with like rose bushes and like flowers and just a gorgeous sort of collage kind of background. This one is beautiful too. It's like a darker sort of moodier bridge over a lake and just beautiful. You could like definitely like use that as sort of inspiration for some kind of collage. This one is really cute. It's got some stairs that you can use for inspiration for various images to put on there. This one is a gorgeous sort of flowery background that you can either use for a collage or you can like paper craft with it. You can like fold it up and like make envelopes with it, or even like cut it up and use it for tags. This next one is really cool. It's got the little archway here that you can like again, used for a collage. You got the little path that you can put images on, sort of any sort of inspiration that comes to you when you see it's kind of like a setting like this. And I think the last one is so pretty. It's this like staircase in almost like, it's like overgrown like ruins almost, and you can definitely like collage something onto there and just sort of use it as like a jumping off point for any collage sort of ideas that you have. So that was a little sample of this pack. Again, this was just a sample of the 100 images that are in this pack. So we're going to call this the video collage, the nature video collage pack. And this one specifically, if you want, you would have to comment in this video. And again, the price of the collage is $10. Canadian shipping is $15, and worldwide shipping is $20, and payment is via PayPal. Or you can head over to my Etsy shop at cutoutcraftkits.etsy.com, where you can see all the different listings I have, all the different categories, and your packs there would be on a potluck basis. This one is part of sort of the listings there, so if but we're going to keep this one for the video. So if somebody buys a nature pack sort of in my Etsy shop, they'll get a different one than this. We'll keep this one for the video. And you can either comment or message me here on YouTube, and yeah, so that's what is available sort of right now. And I hope you enjoyed that little preview through the images. And let me know what category you would like to see next. Again, we have nature images, we have romance images, we have art images, we have pattern images, we have architecture and decor, we have fashion images, we have vintage ads, we have vintage images, we have miscellaneous images, we have kids related images, we have art related images, and I'm sure that I'm missing, I might be missing categories, but if any of those categories seem like ones that you would like to see a video specifically related to, let me know in the comments. And yeah, that's going to be it for this week's video. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe and leave a comment on what kind of categories you would like to see, and or leave a comment if you would like to purchase this specific nature pack, because this specific nature pack will be specifically available for you guys here on YouTube. Again, first come, first serve. It's the one pack, the pack that I'm showing. This is a sample of the images that you would get in this pack. There are 100 images total. So, yep, like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!